How do you initiate the arbitration process? If you are facing a dispute with your auto insurance company regarding a collision claim, you might be wondering how to start the arbitration process. This method can help resolve disagreements, especially when negotiations have stalled. Let's break down the steps to get you started. First, you need to determine if arbitration is the right option for your situation. Arbitration is an out-of-court method used to settle disputes between you and your insurance provider. It is especially useful when there are disagreements about collision coverage or betterment claims. To kick things off, formally request arbitration. You can do this by notifying your insurance company, usually through your claims adjuster. Make sure to clearly express your intention in writing. If your insurance policy includes an arbitration clause, you may be required to use this process before you can file a lawsuit. If there is no clause and your insurer refuses to go to arbitration, you might need to consider filing a lawsuit instead. Once you have requested arbitration, the next step is to choose an arbitrator. An arbitrator is a neutral third party, often a retired judge or an experienced lawyer. This person will review the facts and make a decision. Both you and the insurance company typically have a say in selecting the arbitrator. It is essential to choose someone known for fairness and integrity. After selecting the arbitrator, you will enter a preparation phase. During this time, both parties exchange information and documents related to the claim. This can include medical records, photos of vehicle damage, and any other relevant materials. Reviewing the other party's documents will help you understand their arguments and prepare your own case. Next, the arbitration hearing will be scheduled. At the hearing, both you and the insurance company will present your cases. You can make an opening statement, present witnesses, and submit evidence. This process is less formal than a courtroom trial and usually takes less time. The arbitrator will listen to both sides, ask questions, and may allow for some discussion. After the hearing, the arbitrator will make a decision. If both parties agreed to binding arbitration, this decision is typically final. You can expect the decision to be issued within a short period after the hearing. In the context of auto insurance collision claims, especially regarding Betterment, arbitration can be a practical way to resolve disagreements about claim value or coverage interpretation. By following these steps, you can initiate and navigate the arbitration process effectively.